Now, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can upload your products that you want to sell on Jumia. Now, we're talking about book sales. You want to sell your books online on Jumia. In the previous video, we talked about how you can create your merchant store on Jumia. Now, let's say you are in the Jumia Marketplace. This is Jumia Marketplace, jumia.com.ng. And do you see I'm under the book, movies, and music category? And so that is where I have all these books. Now, let's say one of these books is New General Mathematics, a common mathematics textbook you have for junior secondary and you have for senior secondary. Now, let's assume that I'm interested, I have this one for sale, New General Mathematics book 3. This for junior secondary class 3, that's just 3. Let's assume I have them for sale. I've made my deals, I've been able to get it at a cheaper price, and now I want to sell on Jumia. So remember, this is for someone buying. This is a typical shop on Jumia. This guy is selling at 3,500. You see, they add to chat. You see, so we are not buying, we're trying to sell art. Now, if you come here, just come down a bit. You see, you have a place that say have one to sell. You see it. So this is one method you can use to actually list your own products, your own books, or any product to sell. So go to that section that say have one to sell, and you click on it. So when we click on it, it's going to take you to your seller center. This is my Jumia seller center. I already have a shop on Jumia, I told you. So this is where you're going to create this new product. Because the product is already listed on Jumia, you see it already has some information for you. You see, it already has some necessary information for you already there. It has already put the name of the book you want to sell, New General Mathematics, the brand. This is where you name, this is by Jumia, but you can change this to your own. It can be E-commerceinNigeria books, Bookshop, or any name you put. But you can put the model. Model has to do with, like it gave you an answer. It always explains what it wants you to do there. Like a model, Samsung X3, Samsung iPhone 4X, something like that. So, but here you can just use, say, New General Mathematics or just, so you can put that same name. Now, what is the color? You can put green. So, for this one, there's really no color specification. Now, if you have put all those ones, you can now come over to the next one there, product details. Product details. This is where you put your product specification. What is the specification of this product? You describe it. So because this person has already listed his own, you can decide to make use of his own or try to put some specification on that textbook. You can get the specifications on the textbook, on the cover of the textbook, and put the ISBN number, the author of the textbook, and other things like that. Now, under product description, you describe everything about, about that text. That kind of the content, and all these things the authors have even described it. So you can actually pick out some of the things you will help anybody trying to buy this textbook to make an informed decision. The measurement, size of the textbook, and the manufacturer. The book was manufactured is a product by E-commerceinNigeria, so you can put that. you see it? So now let's go to the next one now. That has to do with the pricing. How much do you want to sell yours? First of all, you have to add your SKU. SKU is the code you actually want to use for this product to differentiate it from other books that you will be selling. So you see, so you can actually make use of what that person have actually used and use it to build up yours. These are where you put your prices. So it's something that you can be able to set up on your own. What is the quantity you have in stock? Are you on a promo? Put it here. When is your promo starting? That's the sales date and end date. And this is actually where you upload your images. Remember, this guy already have an image. You can make use of his image. You can actually put the back cover of the textbook and other images you might have. So when you're through with that, you can actually save everything you've done and the product will be listed on your page. You see, so this is actually how you can create your own product. You can use what is already there on Jumia website. So if it's not there, once you can come to this your seller center, you can create your information starting with the name. The brand is your shop name, model, and you actually still use the name of that textbook, the class it's meant for, the color. So that is one method you can use to create your product on Jumia. Now, another one, remember I said that one is going directly to the shopping, the marketplace. Now here, I can decide to enlist. This is my shop already, my seller account here. And so I can come here, comfortably come here under products. This is if I don't want to use what somebody has already created. I can just come here. You see, it's manage product. It's create a new product. You see it. So just click on that, create a new product, and it's still going to continue. Now, do you notice here it says find this product on Jumia. So what you want to sell might already be on Jumia. Someone might be selling it already. You can use the ISBN number. That textbook have an ISBN number. You can use the ISBN number to search if someone is already selling this product on Jumia. You see it. And if it's not on Jumia, all you simply do is create your own product. See, create a new product. See, so it's still what we saw initially in that video. So you have to choose the category where this book will be. So mine is already this. Why this is showing that this is a category that I have most of my products in. But I'm going to now search education. So let's look for, okay. So the category where we're going to put this. Okay, let's go back. Let's search for books. Okay. Books. So you say you can put it under toys and game for kids if the books are actually for kids. Maybe most of the books you want to sell are children books. You can put them under this toys and game, learning and education. So you can choose this category. So you say it. We decide to choose this category. let's say we choose this. We want to put it under educational toys and games. So let's select. So let's allow it to load. So you see, we see now came back to that particular page we saw at the beginning of this video, where I'll need to put what? The name of the book I'm trying to sell, the brand, which is my store name, the model, color, just pretty much what we've explained before. You come here, you go into details of the product. See, it's showing you that you have not completed this. So it's going to prompt you that you didn't fill anything there. So you need to fill that in. So when you fill that in, that red mark will not be showing. So you will come here too and you fill the product line. Product line have to do with the, say, enter your store name here, color family, what is the color of the product you want to upload, type, the main material. So you see it. So it's not really difficult uploading this product, because under each section it gives you an example of what they are expecting you to do there. I hope you get that. So creating a product for you is pretty much easy, and this is where you put your price, and this is where you are going to put your images. So there are two ways. You can go directly to the shop on Jumia, in a marketplace, select something similar to what you want to sell, and click on that, have yours to sell, and you'll be able to start creating on. Or you can come to your seller center. You see where we actually went to under products. Look at it. You have manage product, you have create a new product. So you see it. So that is where I clicked on, and you can actually create your product there. So it's something I believe you can be able to do. So that is it.